Hey guys, it's Mark Montfort here, and I just wanted to share something with you that I think could be useful, especially given this week is all about South by Southwest Sydney. So what you see here is an app that I created using Bolt. This is a vibe coding app, but there's database. There is a whole heap of loaded events from the South by Southwest Sydney page. You definitely still have to go to that to look up other things. But just in terms of building a scheduler and inspired by the great work that Build Club did last year, I created something that you can see here. So there's some, as it says, smart recommendations. You can discover events just normally by perusing and filtering. There's an AI chat assistant. You can schedule things. There will be some networking tools. So I'll be working on that for this week. But what you can do here is my login. And what you'll be able to do is sign up. This is for free. There is OpenAI sitting in the background there. It's email and password to log in, although I will look at adding some social logins such as Gmail to make it easier. But as you can see here, you can scroll down to see all of the different events. Current filters are just for the different dates that you can see here. So you'll be able to filter on and pick whether it's the Monday, Tuesday, Friday is what I've got for now. I will add Saturday and Sunday there as well. I'm speaking on the Friday. I'll be doing a talk with my colleague Arturo on intelligent money. You can see that one here. As you click on these, you can see a bit more detail. So this was created by just going to the South by Southwest page. Control A to select all of the text, and you can see this here. I can click and add that to my schedule. I should do that because I'm actually speaking at that. And then I can see my schedule here. Now, where the smart features come in is you've got a couple of things. So when you first log in, there is a profiling page. You can go back to that by going to the profile, as you can see here. I said technology, I might want business, a bit of networking, love a bit of food and drink. I want talks, workshops, panel discussions. I said evening. I want to change that to morning and afternoon. I'll save my changes. Now, you see an upload events thing there. I'm the admin. I'm the only one that will be able to do that. But who knows what we'll do with this app in future. But anyway, just a quick one that I put together. This is Sunday the 12th. So a very quick one here. When you click on this schedule, my schedule, you'll see a few things recommended for you. So you can see a top 10, a top 20 events recommended for you based on what your profile is. I can refresh that if I do make changes to the profile, and a top 30. There's a lot of events that have been recommended for me based on my profile of all the various things that I've got in there. But then the other thing is, and look, put it this way, if you click on these things here, so the Accenture, they're doing a whole heap of stuff on the future of customer. I can see stuff in here about AI. I might like that. So again, I can click here, and if I scroll down, I can see that is on my list. So I can use this as my scheduler. The other thing is you can close this just here so that you're only looking at the schedule. I've only got those 2 events for now. If you want to, thanks to AI and OpenAI, you can actually ask questions to see which events would be interesting. So let's go find networking sessions related to, I don't know, artificial intelligence. And so there's a whole heap of factors sitting in the background. For those that are technical, we're running a RAG-based system that's looking at a database. We're using Superbase for this. Just nice, quick, easy. And here's a heap of stuff that has come through. There's an AI roundtable. I can click again on that and see if that's interesting. That's over at UTS. Okay, so let's click on that and add that to the schedule. From lecture to lab, let's click on that. Again, sounds interesting. All at UTS. It looks like they're going to be doing a few things there, which is great. And then if I minimize this, I can see that those things are added to my schedule. So you can build this up, or like I said, you can just go back to the events, discover events page, and using the filter that is here, which is just on the dates, you'll be able to just filter to just see what's on these dates and just scroll through. There's a lot that's here. So do forgive us if it is a little slow. This is built on a very lightweight database, but I think it's something that could be quite useful for folks that are playing around there. That's the scheduler and the discover. On the AI assistant, you can see here that I've got a few chats going. You can select a conversation Yeah, let's go. What's this? Water music events happening on October 15. Let's check that out. So hopefully you do get your passes sorted out. You go check out the events. It says there's a event, a happy hour at 5, where you can network. Let's go to another question. Might be a bit hit and miss with some of the things that are in here. If you're on profile mode, then it's going to look at what's in your profile. If you just go to search mode, which is what it's in now, it's just going to look at what is just generally about the conversation. So that might be the filter you want to turn on and off. I am in, let's say I am from the legal space. What events should I look at? And the great thing about AI is that it is okay with a little bit of spelling mistakes. We're only human after all, but yeah, we'll give this a minute or two. Oh, there you go. There's a couple of events there. Using it in the AI assistant, as you can see here, it doesn't have the links to go back to those things there. But here's this data privacy and cybersecurity. I could go back here and just type it in. So data privacy and whatever that was, cybersecurity. Keyboard has just died there. Okay. Well, it should come through, but we'll have to go check that out and just see what was going on there. So data privacy and cybersecurity in the law of digital age. There might be a few things where it does need to just load a little bit to find these things. But yeah, just filter through, see how you go. There's going to be there is another group that I think has put together a whole list of these in a nice Google Doc, so you can search that as well. But this is something that might be of assistance. I'll see if there can be some networking features in here too. Maybe limitations on the database, as we've seen, but I'll be working on some of the bugs and yeah, hoping to get your feedback, and feel free to check it out, and hopefully this is useful. I'll see you there.